work as the boys and girls. In that chapter, we saw inequality, pattern of socialization, approach of society. As an institution, Indian society is governed by male member, means patriarchal system. Male are given more value compared to girl. Male are decision maker. Boys are decision maker in society. Their work is like domestic work is allotted to girls or women, and earning work, economical work is allotted to male member. Right? They are not given or they are not provided equal salary compared to male. Right? Just because they are a female. Being a female, they are treated unequally. Okay, and to eliminate, to remove all these things, government take initiative. Okay, legally as well as they made an advertisement on television and radio. So legally as well as they take initiatives on social media, not social media but electronic media as well as print media. Now today I am going to explain you our new topic, women change the world. Okay, we show how women work in the home is not recognized as a work. We also read how doing household work and taking care of family members is a full-time job. There are no specific hour at which it begin or end. Okay. There are no specific time. Okay. From morning to evening. Okay. They have to work continuously, and all these works are unpaid. Okay. Unpaid and less value. Okay. We will look at work outside the home and understand how some occupations are seen to be more suitable for men than for women. Like before 10 to 15 years back, PTC, primary teacher training. PTC. Okay. Primary teacher course. Okay, so this course, primary teacher teaching course, people think that this course is run especially for girls, right? Because we think that teaching, nursing, domestic work, okay, housemaid work are work is done by only girls. So, they recommend this course to the girls. Okay, generally girls take admissions. Okay, in this course, primary teaching course. Okay, we will also learn about how women struggle for equality. Getting an education was and still is one way in which new opportunities are created for women. This chapter will also briefly stress the different types of efforts made by the women's movement to challenge the discrimination in more recent year. Okay, so we will learn also. I'll explain you in this chapter how women struggle for their equality. Okay. Now we have okay, who does what work? So who does what work? Farmer, male. A boy. Okay. Women are also working on agriculture field, but as a subordinate, as an assistant, or even sometimes women work as equal as men. Even then, they are not given value and they are not given equal salary. male. Okay, nurse, female. Then sailor, again male. Pilot, again male. And teacher, female. So you can imagine, you can observe that how many job opportunities, how many economical opportunities has been open for female. Only two, nurse and teacher. See, the work of a teacher is somehow valued, okay, somehow valued in society, but work of a nurse is not given that value in our society, right? Even when the work of a nurse is, quite difficult, quite tough. They have to, work with, different patients, okay, different people. Even then, the work of a nurse is not given, value by the society, right? So 6 work, 2 out of 6 work is only for women. Okay. You are supposed to draw image, but I write only names for your understanding. Okay. This is the photograph, okay, of a female who worked in this farm. Now, fewer opportunities and rigid expectation. Lot of children in Rosie Mann's class drew woman as a nurse and man as an army officer. Okay, so you can imagine that even children are told by their parents or told by their elder members that woman can work as a nurse and man. So these are a kind of socialization of this shows the socialization of their elder member, that how women are being treated and how should they treat. Okay, the reason they did this is because they feel that outside the home too, women are good at only certain jobs. Okay, as I told you, our society is very clear. They have strong mindset about women as well as about men. Okay, that what kind of work is suitable. They are clear in advance. Okay, they are very clear that what kind of work is suitable for women and what kind of work is suitable for men. So they are prepared and they are clear. Okay, now let me read. This is linking the woman's role with the family. Similarly, it is believed that science requires technical mind, and girl and woman are not capable of dealing with technical things. Okay, that's why PTC, primary teacher course, okay, and arts. These two fields are open, not open, I should not say open, but these two fields are, these two fields are, for girls, okay, arts and primary teaching course. Generally, people allow their girl child to, enroll in these two courses. Okay, why they allow only these two courses? Because they think that science requires technical mind. Okay, and girls and women are not capable of dealing with technical mind. Okay, you won't believe that generally girls are as sharp as a boy. Okay, in every field. In BSc, in a medical, generally these days, number tells that girls are enrolling more in a medical, BSc, and in a medical field. Girls are enrolled more in these two fields compared to boys. So we cannot say that girls cannot join science and engineering, because so many people believe in this stereotype. Many girls do not get the same support that boys do to study and train to become a doctor and engineer. 2 out of 100, okay, only few parents allow their girl child to join science, medical and engineering. But most of the parents, most of the family force their girl child to complete some short courses, some diploma courses. Okay, some short duration of course. Okay. In the most family, once girl finish school, they are encouraged by their family to see a marriage as their main aim in life. In my previous class, I already explained you that. I already told you that girls are trained and socialized for a domestic work. Okay. They train to do domestic work. Okay, they socialize to do domestic work by their family. They are given an environment by their society that you have to do domestic work after finish your study, whatever you study. Now, breaking stereotype. Now, what is stereotype? Stereotype is like a kind of things. It is a very rigid mentality. Okay, that old thoughts. Okay, it is known as stereotype. A breaking stereotype. Okay, engine drivers are men, but 27-year-old Lakshmi Lakra from a poor tribal family in Jharkhand has begun to change things. She is the first woman engineer driver for a northern railways. Okay, generally guards and engineer, guards and engine driver, ticket collector. You won't see any female or you won't see any girl, right? Because we think that these works are require lots of force and strength. So we won't allow, or society won't allow girls to join this kind of occupation. But this 27-year-old Lakshmi Lakra from poor tribal family, she served in a railway department as an engine driver. Lakshmi parents are not literate, but they struggle and overcome many hardship to make sure their children go for an education. Lakshmi studied in a government school. Even in school, Lakshmi helped with the housework and did odd jobs. As I told you, being a poor family, they are unable to pay fees of school and college. So Lakshmi joined this government school. Government school is that it's not that expensive compared to private school. Even then, she has to do odd jobs. Okay, housework and odd jobs. Why? Because she belongs to a very poor family. So to help good example. Okay, what kind of example? That woman also can do jobs. Okay, women also have strength. They are also able to do multiple work. They are also able to do hard work. She studied hard and did well, and then went on to get a diploma in electronics. Science require technical mind. Okay, and technical mind. And women and girls don't have technical mind. So that was a mentality, that was a mindset of people. But she break all these mindsets and she realized diploma in engineer, right? She then took the railway board exam and passed it on her first attempt. Railway board exam. Okay, central government, organized exam, and it is toughest, second or third toughest exam in India, because it is directly deal with center government. So it is the second or third toughest exam in our country, and she passed it on her first attempt. Okay, people generally attempt twice, thrice, sometimes 5 times, even then they could not clear railway board exam. But Lakshmi cleared her first attempt. So it is wrong to say that girls don't have technical mind. Okay, Lakshmi said, I love challenges, and the moment somebody says it is not for girl, I make sure I go ahead and do it. Lakshmi has had to do this several times in her life. When she wanted to take electronics, when she rode motorcycle at the Polytechnic, and when she decided to become an engine driver. Okay, so she loved challenges. We don't have not only example of Lakshmi, but we have a very good example of Bachendri Pal. She was a mountaineer. Okay, Bachendri Pal, as well as Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams. Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian astronaut who traveled in space. Sunita Williams was the first Indian woman who stayed 6 months in a space. How many months? 6 months in a space. Okay, apart from Bachendri Pal, Kalpana Chawla, and Sunita Williams, we have lots of examples, like in Karnataka and in Bangalore. Nowadays, you can see ticket collector, woman working as a ticket collector in buses, in the metro trains, right? In nowadays, her philosophy is simple: as long as I am having fun without harming anyone, as long as I am doing well and helping my parents, why should I not lead a lifestyle to my choice? Okay, so she has very independent thoughts. Okay, she want to, I am going to live my life of my choice. Okay, it is important to understand that we live in a society in which all children faces pressure from world around them. Sometimes this came in form of demands from adults, right? Okay, every children faces pressure from world around them. For example, demands from adults, like you have to score 70%, 80%, or 90% in exam. You have to, study for so and so hour. You have to wake up early in the morning. These kinds of pressure. At other times, they can just be because of unfair teasing by our own friend. Boys are pressurized to think about getting jobs that will pay a good salary, right? Generally, boys are given pressure by their family member that you are supposed to choose only this field. Why? Because your future will be bright in so and so field. Okay? So these kinds of pressure of earning, pressure of securing future is given to the children. They are also teased and pulled if they do not behave like other boys. Like comparison between two children, comparison between our children with our child with other. Okay, so and so person, so and so student scored 95%. Why you cannot? Okay, so and so child is joining engineering. Why you don't? Why you can't? So these kinds of pressure. Why? To secure their future. Okay, to to get a good job. They are also these. You may remember that in your class 6 book you read about how boys at an early age are encouraged not to cry in front of others. As I told you that boys should be rough and tough. Okay. This is a story. Xavier was happy with the result of his class 10 board exam. Though his marks in science and maths were not high, he had done well in his favorite subject, history and language. When his parents saw his report card, however, they did not look pleasant at all. Means boys are given, sometimes pressure by their parents that you are supposed to, enroll in science stream. So you have to score, you have to make good marks in science and mathematics. But sometimes children can't, cope up, or sometimes child is not, compatible in science and maths. So he or she cannot score good. Sometimes depend on interest. That child is not interested in maths and science. He is not he or she is not comfortable with numbers. Sometimes he interested in literature. He or she interested in stories, literature. He interested about past. So it is all about our interest. Which subject we like most. So this boy and his parents is not happy with the result. So these kinds of pressure have been given to the child. Okay. I'll explain you this story. Okay, as well as learning for a change in my next class. So this is all for